Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys some simple strategy you can use to trade boom and crash massively to make crazy profit, guys. This strategy is very effective and it's a simple strategy with simple techniques, with simple setup and with simple settings to become a profitable with this strategy. This strategy is very effective, and I've already practiced this strategy and I figured out how everything works, guys. Now stay tuned with me to the end of the video, guys. Make sure watch the video to the end because I'm going to give you guys the setup and how you guys can manage your strategy effectively, guys. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to make sure by subscribe to my channel, like this video, guys, and turn on post notification. When I post a strategy, you guys be aware. Now, guys, let me show you guys the trades I took with this strategy. When I'm backtesting this strategy, the trade I use this strategy to took, and I'm going to show you guys. The trade now. Now, guys, this is the trade that I took with this strategy. As you can see, I make a $450 plus with this strategy. This shows that this strategy is very working, guys, and it's an effective strategy, guys. Now, guys, I want you guys to make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm very excited about strategy and how useful the strategies is and how profitable the strategy is for me, because I love the strategy most of the time because it's a simple strategy, guys. A simple strategy. Now, another strategy without wasting much of our time. Now, guys, we are going to be using crash going to be using this crash for this explanation about the strategy, guys. Now, guys, this is the strategy, guys. We are going to be using indicators and our main chart for this strategy, guys. Now, let me show you guys the setup for the indicator before I tell you guys how you can measure the strategy effectively, guys. Now, guys, the first thing you are going to do is go to this icon right at the top, and after going there, then you add your indicator up. Let me delete everything up. Then we set it up from scratch, guys. Now click on this icon right here. Click on this F plus icon. And after clicking on, then the first indicator we're going to be adding is our RSI. It's our RSI, guys. I've already told you guys that number that this RSI is the number one effective indicator you can use to become a profitable trading boom and crash, guys. Now we are going to be using the indicator, and this is the setup for the indicators, guys. The period is 5, apply to close, and there is no style for the indicators. Now this is the levels, guys. This is the levels, guys. Set everything up like this. Then after set everything up, then click on done. Then we have our RSI. Now the second thing we are going to add is our moving average, guys. Now click on this icon right here. After clicking on it, then you add your moving average. This is the parameters for the moving average. Now the first moving average you are going to be adding the period is 15. 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and the color is and the color is red, guys. Now after set everything up like this, then click on done. Then we have our moving average, guys. Now the second moving average you're going to be adding is our the 5 moving average. Is 5 period moving average, which is shift 0, method is also exponential, apply to close, and the style is going to be blue, guys. You can use the color of your choice. You can use the color of your choice. Now after choosing the color you want, then click on done. Then you are good to go. You have your indicator setup, guys. Then you have your indicator setup, guys. Now we are on 15-minute time frame. This is when I'm going to show you guys how you can make use of the strategy. We are on 15-minute time frame. We are going to be using the 2 time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame and the 1-minute time frame, guys. 15-minute time frame to just recover the market trend. Know the key zones and where we are going to be enter our trade, guys. That is what we are going to using the 15 minutes for. And the 1-minute time frame is where we are going to enter our trades. The 1-minute time frame is where we are going to enter our trade. Now, how are we going to discover the market trend with the 15-minute time frame? Now, the first thing we are going to do, the way you can discover the market trend is by using our indicators. By using indicators. Now you can see the moving average is at the 90 levels of what, of the RSI. This indicates that the market is what, is in the downtrend for what, for crash. It is in downtrend for what, for crash. Now when the what, when the moving average reaching the what, reaching the 10 levels of the what, of the RSI, this indicates that the market is what, is in an uptrend, guys. It's an uptrend, guys. Now once you figure that out, then this is the next thing you are going to do. Then we know that the market is what, is in a downtrend. The next thing you're going to do, what you're going to do is what, is to mark out our what, our zones, our key zone, the way, the area that the market what, the market what is traced, or what the market is what, the market pull back or pull up, what the market pull up or pull up, which is what, which is the active what, the active areas. We are going to be using the what, our lines what, to mark out that area. The first area where we can see right here is here, and this, and another one, we have another one right here, we have another one right here, we have another one right here, and we have another one right here, we have another one right here at the top, we have another one right there, then we have another one what, at the top right here, we have another one at the top right here, and then we have another one right here, guys. We have another one right here, guys. That's what, that's the area that the market what, the market literally react to. Now and then after you mark that that area, then you what, switch your lower time frame, which is our what, which are entry time frame, which is the what, which is the 1 minute time frame, guys. Shit, we missed the what, we missed the trade. It's already almost reaching what, almost reaching our what, our zone. And I want to the trade, the trade, but the market what, the market do not reach that area before the what, creating spike, which means that, guys, if you want to be using the strategy when the market almost reaching the what, almost reaching the zone, I mean, let's say it remains 2 to 3 candles before the market is reaching the zone, then you what, enter the trade, take your entry, guys. Take your entry, guys. Remember that, to take your entry by what, by that. Now, guys, how do you guys make use of the strategy? Now, let's say you want to what, you want to catch your spike what, with this strategy, guys. This is what we are going to do. Now, the first thing you are going to do is what, is you wait for the market to what, to first trend what, to first trend to these what, to the zones. Wait for the market to first trend to the zone, which means that what, when the market is trending to the zone, now you want to catch some spike with this what, with the market. Now you can figure out something right here. The market is what, the market is trending to the what, to the top side. Now when the market is trending to the top side, you can figure out something that we have our zone right here, we have our zone right here, because we have our zone right here. Now you can see what the market did when the moving average what, when the moving average is reaching reaching the 90 levels of the what, of the RSI, guys, of the RSI, and the market also almost reaching what, the zones that what, that we mark out on our 15-minute time frame. Now what, we take our what, we take our entry with that, we take our entry, you can see it right here, we take our entry. The market also reaching the what, the zone that we mark out, almost reach here before the market usually spark. Now guys, you can see it right here, you can see it right here, sorry guys, you can see it right here. You can see this is what the market did. You can see the what, the moving average reaching the what, reaching the 90 levels of the RSI, and the market also reaching our key zone that we mark out on 15-minute time frame. You can see what the market did. The market they spike to the what, to the downside. That's how you guys can use of strategy on to catch spike on the market. The first step is what, wait for the market to trend what, to the zones, guys. After the market almost see the zone, wait for the moving average to reach the 90 levels of the RSI. Then you take your trade and you catch your spike, guys. Now let's say you want to scalp with the strategy, guys. And this is what we're going to do. If you want to scalp with the strategy, now after the market spike to what, to the next zone, which is what you can see right here, the zone right here. Now after the market spike right here, wait for the market to for the candle to first scan like 5 candles. Now let's say this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Now when the market counts 5 candles, and then the moving average also at the 10 levels of the what, of the RSI, and then the moving average also crossing over the RSI. That is when you are going to what? This is when you are going to enter your trade. Catch 5 to 10 candles, and then you are out. Or you can use this area. When the market reaches the 50 levels of the RSI, then you close your trade. That's the second TV viewer you can be using. then what you scalp with what with strategy, guys. That is how you guys can make use of the strategy, what to catch spike and what and then to scalp with the what in the market, guys, with this effective strategy, guys. That's how you guys can make use of this with what with the strategy, guys. Now, guys, that is it, guys. That's one can make use of the strategy. If you find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to tell me about what subscribe to my channel, like my videos, guys. I want to know your position. If you want strategy, you guys be aware. And also, guys, I want to inform you guys that what I'm currently working on my on my Telegram and my WhatsApp group, guys. When I'm done with it, then I'll be posting the link on the in the description below, guys. You can join my Telegram channel for free and my WhatsApp channel for free, guys. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.